Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install OBS Studio, a powerful and free software for video recording and live streaming. Let's get started. Step number 1. Download OBS Studio. First, open your web browser and go to the official OBS Studio website at obsprojects.com. Click on the download button and choose your operating system. In my case it's Windows, so I chose that. Click download installer. Once the download is completed, open the installer file. Press Windows and E, go to downloaded files and run OBS Studio. Follow the on-screen instructions to install OBS Studio on your computer. It's pretty straightforward. Just click next a few times and install. I can show you how to do that before I have installed OBS. After the installation is complete, launch OBS Studios. You might see a prompt asking if you want to run the auto configuration wizard. This is a great way to get started quickly, so go ahead and click yes. OBS Studio will now guide you through some basic setup steps. You can choose whatever you want to optimize for streaming or recording. Follow the prompts and adjust the settings according to your needs. Add sources and scenes. Now the OBS Studio is set up. You can start adding sources and scenes. Click on the plus button under the sources box to add your screen capture, webcam or any other media you want to include in your stream or recording. And that was it. You successfully installed and set up OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.